Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Gboard is up to date and has microphone access. This lets voice typing work reliably. Once done, open any app with a text field and bring up Gboard. Tap the microphone icon to enter voice typing mode and speak naturally at a steady pace. You should see live transcription. If not, confirm the correct language is selected. Practice a short sentence to verify clarity before moving to punctuation and commands. Now you refine how voice typing behaves by adjusting settings and learning commands. Open Gboard settings, select voice typing, and pick your preferred language or dialect for better accuracy. Make use of voice commands like comma, period, new line, delete, and quote to control punctuation and structure while you speak. You can also download an offline voice pack for use without internet, which reduces lag. Try dictating a paragraph, using commands to add punctuation, and correct small errors as you go. Finish by reviewing and editing the transcribed text. Voice typing speeds writing but still needs human review. Tap any misheard word to correct with keyboard input or redictate the phrase for precision. If you need to revert recent changes, say undo or tap backspace to remove characters. Make sure to save or send your content when done. If accuracy drops, check the microphone permission, selected language, and connection. These 3 fixes resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.